You are going to love the 2013 Sonata. This vehicle is powered by a 4-cylinder, 2.4-liter engine and comes with an automatic transmission. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: wheel locks, rear window defroster, daytime running lamps, front-wheel drive, 4-wheel disc brakes, body color door handles. Inside you'll find cruise control, trip computer, cargo net, carpeted floor mats, cargo mat. The Sonata has a long list of technologically advanced interior features and options that make driving safer, more convenient, and much more fun. Don't forget the exterior corrosion protection, a 14-step roto-dip system that provides unmatched protection for your Sonata. Escape the mundane and embrace the thrill of a lifetime behind the wheel.